Okay, so good day everybody. We are the group 4 and we are here to conduct our experiment number 4, which is
Compression test of 4-inch and 6-inch concrete hollow blocks or CHB.
okay. So first, our objectives for today is to test the compressive strength of a 4-inch and 6-inch hollow blocks and evaluate the unit's compliance with specifications.
Well, on our laboratory procedures, the ASTM we based on is ASTM CE14, while on the specifications, ASTM C90 and C129 were based on if the units are in compliance with the range of values.
The materials to be used are the 4-inch CHB, 6-inch CHB, steel scale, vernier caliper, and compression plate.
And the equipments to be used are compression machine, testing machine, and the weighing scale.
And that would be also enjoy watching.
So this is a CHB 4 inches, and the other one is 6 inches CHB. As you can see, the difference is very different from the word 6 inches and 4 inches.
The next step will be measuring the CHB. So first, we will measure the length. Measuring the length, we will use a tape measure. So what we're gonna do is use the tape measure and pointing the length on the top side and the bottom side. So why do you need to measure two sides? So that after measuring two sides, you will average to have an accurate length of the hollow block. The same goes for 6-inch CHB. Next will be the width. Measuring the width in here side. So this side. So same goes now. You will go measure on the top, the bottom side, the hollow block, and then average it throughout and average width. Then the height. So this is how you measure the height. So in measuring height, also you're gonna measure two heights of the hollow block. So here's the face 1, and this is the face 2. So with that, or it can be here or here, so that we will have an average. The next will be the facial thickness. In measuring the facial thickness, oh, by the way, in measuring the width, the height, the facial, and the web thickness, you are gonna be using linear caliper. Only on the length you will use the tape measure. So in measuring the facial thickness, it's gonna be here. So you will measure individually the 6 facials of the hollow block. Agree? And then the next would be the web thickness. There are 4 webs, so we're gonna be measuring the 4 web. That would be all. Same goes with the 4-inch and the 6-inch. CHB.
After measuring the CHB, the dimensions of the CHB, we will now proceed in weighing the 4-inch or 6-inch CHB. The purpose of weighing the CHB is to know the classifications if it is lightweight, middleweight, or heavyweight.
So mag-wheel gamit ang Christian sa kung kung gani.
So, to assure safety during experiments, before we conduct the compression strength test, we must always conduct with our laboratory technician assigned during that day. So, during the compression strength test, we must place a suction unit at the center of this wood and this compression thing in order to accurately evaluate the actual stress and the strength of the complete hollow block is measured. Because if it is put like in a random manner, it will produce inaccuracies or different values that will affect the results in the side discussions. So in this place, our complete hollow block at the center, in order for the CHB units, centroidal axis be affected directly by the actual stress or the load being put on by this machine. So put the plate direct. Make sure that the CHB is placed center on its length, width, and height. So that's it. And then apply on the machine and just wait for what is the maximum load being carried by the CHB unit.
And since we're done with our compression test as seen in the previous videos, as you can see, the compression units that is already compressed, already here being done. And the maximum compressive strength are seen in the previous videos that in the machine of the compressing machine.
So as we know this, both units 4 inches and 6 inches CHB differ for more than positive negative 3.2 millimeters on their specified dimensions, specifically their standard nominal width. Second, the 4 inches CHB's facial thickness and web thickness is not near to the specified required dimension for this aspect. The values are seen to be exceeding the minimum requirements, but they differ too much than the minimum facial and web thickness permissible variations in its dimensions according to section 6 of ASTM C90. The data collected was compared to Table 1 of ASTM C90. Meanwhile, the 6 inches CHB has conformed to the minimum facial thickness on its first section and third section. where its difference can be accepted since it does not exceed a positive negative 3.2 mm variation. However, the unit's well thickness has exceeded too much than the accepted specifications for its greater than 3.2 millimeters.
So as contrasted with the ASTM C19 and C129, the minimum compressive strength requirements of both ASTM standards have not met the computed gross compressive strength. However, we keep in mind that the value we compared in the ASTM standard is for the net area of the CHB rather than the gross area. And continuously explain as we calculate the compressive strength, the calculated compressive strength is smaller than the machine's value for compressive strength. The values, however, still fall short of the CMU's minimal necessary compressive strength.
So therefore, for conclusion, from the chosen 4 inches and 6 inches concrete hollow block units, the experimenters conclude that the units do not conform to the standards given by ASTM for both the dimensions and the compressive strength it can carry. These units shall be then removed by the manufacturer for failing to follow quality standards. Remaining units shall be tested in order to assure safety and quality products for structural projects and purposes. Testing of concrete hollow blocks is very important to assure clients of their engineering projects so that these units can withstand a maximum load in that structure.